Looking for a replacement screen or sash for a Pella window? To find the right size, just measure the visible glass on your Pella window and use our online calculator. Follow these 3 simple steps. Step 1. Measure the width of your window's glass to the nearest 1/16 of an inch. On a window with 1 frame of glass, measure the entire piece. On sliding windows with 2 sashes, measure the width of just the side that opens. Step 2. Extend your tape measure vertically to measure the visible glass to the nearest 1/16 of an inch. On single and double hung windows, measure the glass height of just the lower sash. Step 3. When you know the size of your visible glass, input those dimensions in our online calculator, and we'll tell you the exact size of your entire window. Now you have what you need to purchase a Pella replacement screen or sash online.